Hello guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you why we get this error and how should we rid of this error. First I am showing you what exactly we do wrong so we get this error. So I am now pulling a Docker image for Ubuntu 20.04. Well, Ubuntu 20.04 is necessary for my MS SQL Server installation. So that's why I have pulled the image of Ubuntu 20.04. Now I am launching a container from this pulled image. This is the command to launch the container. Well, this is the exact place where I did the mistake. And how I did the mistake I am going to tell you shortly. So I have launched a container from this image and I am checking my Ubuntu 20.04 version in this container. Well, this is the correct version. Now I am following all the steps to install MS SQL Server. Well, you do not need to worry about these steps because you are not getting the error while installing MS SQL Server. Well, but it is necessary to show you how I was getting the error and what I did to solve the error. I have installed all the necessary dependencies in my Ubuntu 20.04 container. And after that, I need to add the Microsoft keys which are necessary to install MS SQL Server. An apt update is the command to update the Ubuntu repository. Now I am installing MS SQL Server. It is installing, and after the installation I need to configure it. Well, this is the command to configure MS SQL Server, and this is the exact place where I was getting the error while configuration. It is asking me to choose the version. Well, I do not have any license keys, that's why I have selected the number 3 option, that is Express Free. It is asking me to accept the license. Yes, I have accepted. Now I'm adding my SQL system administrator password, and after adding the password it has started the configuration. During this configuration I was getting the error. This is the exact place where I was getting the error. Now you can see this is the same error, that's why you are here. And what I did the mistake, when I launched the container I used the command bin bash. You can see the PID1 command, it is showing bin bash because I installed the container using this command, and the error shows it was expecting systemd as a PID1. So that was the first mistake I did while launching the container. I should have installed using systemd command. But I cannot launch the container from my image using systemd command because it was giving error. I tried to launch my container, my Ubuntu 20.04 container using systemd command, but it was not working. So we cannot launch any container using systemd command. It needs a specific container which is launched from an image which is created for systemd containers. That's how it works, and that is the main reason behind the error. So I found a Docker image which are created for such containers. See, you can see this command. So this image I need to pull, and a container launched from this image will be launched as a PID1 systemd command. So now I am pulling this image. You can find this command in the description, and this is the main solution of your problem. First I pull the image from the Docker repository. And now I am logging inside the container. Well, the container is already running, so I do not need to restart it. Now I am inside the container and I am checking my Ubuntu version. It is Ubuntu 20.04. Well, this is the correct version. See, if I check the PID1, it is system D. That's what the MS SQL was expecting. The PID1 should be system D. In the previous container, the PID1 was bin bash, and that's why MS SQL was giving error. But now PID1 is system D. So if I install MS SQL Server in this container, I should not get the error. This was the main reason behind the error. If you are able to launch a container with the command system D, you will not get this error. Now I am following same steps for installing MS SQL Server. First I am updating the apt repository. And then I am installing the packages. These are the dependencies which are necessary to install the MS SQL Server. Now I am updating the apt repository again. Now installing MS SQL Server. Now I am configuring it. So this is the place where I was getting the error. Checking the Express version, the free version, accepting the license terms, and adding the system administrator password. There should be capital letters, special characters, and numbers inside the password. Now it has started configuring the SQL Server. Now I need to check it should not give the error which I was getting before in the previous container. This container has launched with system TPID1. So MS SQL gets what it needs. Well, this time I did not get the error. You can see setup has completed successfully and SQL Server is now starting. So the error is solved because I pulled the correct image and launched the container from this image. So this is the main solution of your problem. You need to pull the correct Docker image and then you need to launch the container from this image. You will not get this error. Thank you for watching.